Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.
What is deployment? Deployment refers to the distribution of an application among various end users. It is a process that makes software available for use by just installing it on the client computer. List out different ways of deployment that are supported by .NET Framework 4.0. Windows Installer, Click Once, Xcopy, Copy Website, Publish Website Tool are the different ways of deployment that are supported by .NET Framework 4.0. What is Xcopy? Xcopy enables you to deploy an application by copying the application directory and all subdirectories to the target computer and then executing the application on the client. The application starts executing on the target computer by using its assembly file, which is a self-description file that contains all the information about the application. The Xcopy deployment does not make an impact on the target system while configuring the components and registering entries, and is therefore known as zero impact installation. How can you deploy an ASP.NET Web application? You can deploy an ASP.NET Web application using either the Windows Installer deployment or Click Once deployment technique. What is the use of copy project command? The copy project command copies only the files required to run the project and paste it on the target server. It does not deploy the complete project. Therefore, IIS, which stands for Internet Information Services, directory settings are not automatically configured. Can Windows applications and the web applications be deployed using the same template of setup and deployment project? No. The Windows applications use the setup project template, whereas the web applications use the web setup project template. After the deployment, their installation takes place in the similar way. What is the need of Copy Website? Copy Website is a tool used to deploy the website by copying its content files. The Copy Website tool also checks whether or not the latest version of a file is present at the destination. If files of the most recent version are found at the destination, then the Copy Website tool does not superimpose the older version of the files. How can you determine whether you should deploy the application or publish the application? If you want to host the application on a shared hosting environment, you should use publishing. Whereas, if you want to create a web application that is downloaded from a website, you should deploy the application to create a setup.exe file. Can you deploy an ASP.NET Web application project using the Copy Website option? No, the Copy Website option can only be used to deploy the websites. Why do you use Windows Installer? The Windows Installer deployment technique allows you to deploy Windows-based and web applications by creating a Windows Installer package. The installer package has an extension of .msi and it contains the application, any dependent files, registry entries, and the rest. The installer package can then be distributed to various end users by simply copying it on the target computers. The end users can then run the installer package to install the application anywhere in their computers. The installation takes place using the installation wizard. Therefore, the users can easily install the application on their system. Once your application is installed on the target computer, end users can open the application from the installed location. What is application cache? When a Click Once application is installed locally or hosted online, it is stored in the Click Once application cache of the client computer. The Click Once application cache is a set of hidden directories placed under the local settings. directory of the current user's documents and settings folder. The application cache contains all the application files, assemblies, configuration files, application and user settings, and data directory. In case the ClickOnce applications are hosted online, the size of the ClickOnce application cache gets limited to a specified amount, whereas the installed applications do not restrict the cache size limitation. The cache storage quota is responsible to determine the size of the application cache. What is the difference between deploying and publishing an application? In deployment, you can create a new setup and deployment project. In this project, you can add the project output and create a setup.exe file. After creating an executable file, you need to log into the server and execute the setup.exe file to install the application. On the other hand, in publishing, you need to right-click on the application in the Solution Explorer and select Publish to publish the application. Then you specify a location where the application is to be published. The users can then install the application from the location where you have published it and run locally even when the computer is offline.
Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.